Hello friends, welcome to Kadhai and Grill. My today's video is about making tomato mutton curry. This is one of my favorites. I learned it from my wife. Traditionally, this is made on a pressure cooker, but today I'll show you how to make it in an instant pot. Set the instant pot in saute mode and then after it's heated up, pour some oil. Tomato mutton tastes best with bone-in meat. Here I have lamb meat, which is mostly ribs and chops. Add enough water for the pieces to be submerged. Cancel the saute mode and put the instant pot on manual pressure for say 15 minutes. After the pressure is gone and the lid opens, you will notice that the meat is almost cooked at this point. If your meat is tender, you could reduce the duration of pressure cooking. Before adding any further ingredients, let's put it again on manual pressure mode for say 6 minutes. Here comes one of the main ingredients of the dish, ripe tomatoes. Let's add it. If your tomatoes are not sour enough, you can add a piece of tamarind that will enhance the taste. The reason we cook the meat before adding tomatoes is once we add tomatoes, the meat doesn't cook well. After giving it a good mix, let's put the lid on again to cook in pressure. Now when you open the lid, the whole kitchen will be full of aroma. You will see that the tomato is almost mushy. Give it a good mix such that the tomato completely disintegrates. I'm turning on the instant pot on saute mode again just to adjust the consistency as I felt my curry is very runny. Finally, add chopped cilantro and your curry is ready. This goes amazingly well with hot steamed rice. Enjoy! Thanks for watching my video. Please click on like and do subscribe to my channel.